Okay, hello everybody. Today we are on a new boat in Cant boat show. This is the Cranchi 64. If you don't know me, I'm not gonna say a lot about myself. I believe your eyes can judge and you probably know what you see. So, the swimming platform, submergible, sunbed, sofa, control panel for the swimming platform and for the gangway, electric winch, foldable table, another winch here, nice seating area, small, cute. We have an ice maker, sink, a kitchen, small kitchen, quite strange to my style. Alright, the helm station, music system, out thruster. Oh, look, pretty normal. Let's go down. Walking down the stairs, and you have this area, a lot of storage, fridge, washing machine. All right, let's go to the stern cabin, or the back cabin, or the back room. A very nice size, probably a owner cabin, master cabin, chaiselong, full-size mirror, the heads, a seat which you can sit on, very nice, and close it. Okay, moving forward to port, we have a small bathroom, small heads, very small cabin. Keep moving forward, and we have another cabin, toilet, shower. Once again, we have the sink, the seat in the shower, a bed. It's okay size bed. All right, let's go back up and see the outside of the boat. What I love about Cranchi, and if you don't know Cranchi, it's a brand from Italy, Venice. Always has these holders for fenders, which I like. Very decent bow, sunbed, bench, and you have even the option for shade, which you can see on the other boat. So folded, unfolded. Yeah, and that's it. Small boat, 64. If you ask me, very nice boat for family, not too hard to handle. One driver, one skipper, one captain can handle everything here, from my experience at least. And that's it. From here I'm gonna see another boat. Thanks for watching.